Next, I will introduce the replacement of the motherboard of the future supermarket. This is our key. First, open the cabinet door. Then cut off the power supply of the device. Then unplug the power supply of the host. Then take out the host. Be careful of the things on it. This is its speaker. Let me introduce the lines behind the host. First, the power cord is on top. Just unplug it. And in this part is its video cable. The interface looks like this. Pull it out and put it aside. Then there are two orange ones, which are its sensor wires. Just unplug it. Finally, there is a speaker cable. The speaker will come with this cable. And another USB. These are the two wires of the speaker. Take this down and put it aside. Finally, there is this one. Is the touchscreen control cable. Hello. And the HDMI cable aside. Then the main unit can be removed. Take out the new motherboard we prepared. Open it and take a look inside. This is its power cord. And the remote control that comes with it. Well, this is its new sensor. Then there are two USB expansion ports. Extend from this hole. Then remove the other things inside. And remove them. First, remove the sensor. Follow these two wires. You will find such a device. This is our sensing module. It's right below the scanning area. Use a screwdriver to remove it from below. Then take it off. The antenna can be removed. The other one has been removed. And leave the antenna. Now take out our new induction module. These two, the two sets of antennas are exactly the same. You can directly replace it, or we can also directly remove these two. Then we'll stick these two on. Here we choose to replace the original antenna, which can reduce some workload. The left side of the front of the teacher. The coin and currency sensor is on the far left. This is the front view of the sensor. And the adjacent interface, and the scanning area of items. Then take out our box. You can remove this part. Then use the same port and fix it on. After connecting these two antennas, you can put some double-sided tape on the back. Double-sided tape. And stick it in the middle of them. The other one is the line of our sensor. Enter through this hole. And plug it in this position, which is adjacent to our power interface. This is the power cord of our host, which is not needed. Remove it. Then organize the remaining wires. And the HDMI cable for the monitor. And the touchscreen cable of the monitor. And two wires for the speaker. Then we start to connect these four wires. First, the video cable. The HDMI cable enters through this hole and inserted into the HDMI port. Then the touchscreen cable. Enter through this hole. Inserted into the USB port next to the sensor, near the power supply. Then the audio's 3.5mm interface. Plug it next to the video cable. For the other USB, we need to use these two extended USB interfaces. Plug in either one. Finally, it's our power cord. One end is plugged into our power supply, motherboard power interface. And the other end is plugged into the socket. Then restore the power of our monitor. Unplug it back into the socket. Then, from the controller, remove our remote switch. Keep this well, which can control the switch of our motherboard. In this way, our connection is completed. Finally, cover the lid. Tighten the cover with screws. And put it in a suitable position. Glue it on top. And the modification is done.